In this video, I will be showing you how to get started with Perplexity AI and navigate your account settings. To begin, I'll open my Google Chrome browser where I have Perplexity saved as a shortcut for quick access. I'll go ahead and click the icon to head over to the main website. As the page loads, you'll notice the clean and minimal design that Perplexity is known for. Before I can start using the more advanced features of Perplexity Pro, I need to make sure I'm logged in. A sign-in window appears on the right side, and for simplicity, I'm going to select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to keep everything synced across my devices. Now that the login is complete, I'm greeted by the Perplexity Pro home screen. From here, I can see the central search bar where I can type in any question. Next, I want to check on my account details and preferences. I'll navigate my mouse down to the bottom left corner of the screen where my profile name is displayed. This layout ensures that everything I need is just a click away, making high-level AI research accessible to everyone. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.